Welcome to Not So Creative. Today we are diving into the knitted cast-on, a beginner-friendly method that's perfect for starting a project or adding stitches mid-project, like the stitches for the underarm of a sweater. Let's get started. To begin, we'll create a slip knot, which will be our first stitch. Here's how you do it. Take your yarn and wrap it around 2 fingers twice. On the second wrap, cross the yarn over the first loop. Using your needle, go under the first loop and grab the second wrap, pulling it underneath the first one. Release the yarn from your fingers and gently snug the loop onto the needle to secure it. Now that we have our first stitch, here's how we'll cast on the additional ones. Insert your right hand needle into the first stitch on the left needle as if to knit. Wrap the working yarn around the tip of the right hand needle. Pull the loop through the stitch on the left needle, just like this. Now place the loop from the right needle onto the left needle by grabbing it from behind. This will give the stitch a slight twist, which helps create a neat and consistent edge. Don't pull too tightly, keep it snug, but relax. Let's try that again. Knit into the first stitch, hold a new loop, and transfer it onto the left needle from behind. See how easy it is? Repeat these steps until you have the desired number of stitches on your left needle. Take your time and focus on keeping the tension even as you go. Now, let's try it again, but for left-handed now. I have the slip knot in my right hand needle already. If you'd like, you can grab the yarn tail with your right hand to keep it out of the way. Insert your left hand needle into the first stitch on the right needle as if to knit. Wrap the working yarn around the tip of the left-handed needle. Pull the loop through the stitch on the left needle, just like this. Now, we have to place the loop from the left needle onto the right one. For this, we must grab it from behind, like this. It will give the stitch a slight twist, which helps create a neat and consistent edge. Remember not to pull too tightly, keep it snug, but relax. Let's try that again. Knit into the first stitch, hold a new loop, and transfer it onto the right needle from behind. Repeat these steps until you have the desired number of stitches on your right needle. Take your time and focus on keeping the tension even as you go. And there you have it, the knitted cast-on. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Have you used the knitted cast-on before? Let me know how it worked for you or what projects you've tried it with. Thanks for watching, happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next video.